your hair. As I can tell. It's natural, she said. But I've been brave enough to say it wasn't. Listen, here are the actions, they're very simple. When we sing the word run, you have to pump your arms like mad, but the little ones can actually run on the spot if they're feeling strong enough. I'm loving it. Look at that, Olympics next year. And when we sing the word rabbit, we have to give the rabbit some ears, so we do that. Maestro, are you giving it that?
Oh yeah, put my ears on everyone.
Okay. Musicians giving it again, eh? So they're the basic actions. However, there is a line where the farmer shoots his gun, so we have to imagine we've got a big gun and we go bang, 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 goes the farmer's gun. And in verse 2 there's no gun shooting, but we do tell the farmer off. We say, don't give the farmer his fun. It couldn't be easier. Or alternatively, it couldn't be harder. Anyway, let's give it a try. A nice laid-back speed, Mr. Maestro, please. Run, rabbit, run,